How to change your display name on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your display name easy and fast on Twitch. So all what you have to do, go to Twitch. Let's go to the home page. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner and click on your profile, and click on your profile again here. And here you go, this is my profile and this is my display name. Now if you want to change it, just go to the top corner right here and click on edit profile. Now go to the option of display name and change it as you want from here. After you change it, just click save and everything will be changed. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.